Hi traders, let's discuss trading situation and what we can do today on Wednesday with the forex market. We'll discuss American dollar index, euro, Great Britain pound, maybe Canadian dollar or Japanese yen. Watch the list below so you know what I included, because I don't plan my videos. I go through charts every day all the time, and it's not something like I prepare a video for you. This is my job, this is my work, and I go through charts all the time, and sometimes I do share my trading ideas with you here on YouTube, so please subscribe. Okay, for American dollar index, watch here. This is the monthly chart. On monthly chart, this is the technical support. You can see it with the Shimoku Kijun-sen line. It is an important one, and I told you before that our target to sell is 101.30. So they reached our target, they give us a rebound, and right now the downgoing correction didn't end yet. It is the downgoing correction on monthly chart. If you check the monthly chart, the technical picture is showing us that general tendency is going up. But last 4 months, American dollar index is going down. Only last 4 months, okay? Yes, it is a huge, big fall for American dollar index, but still it's a correction. And current support 101.30 is important if close price of daily, weekly, 4-hour chart is under 101.30, it will go down to 96 area. But right now they give us a rebound because of this technical support. In my previous videos, I told you that it is our target to sell American dollar index and to buy euro dollar. For a weekly chart, there is nothing interesting. There is no buy signal for us. There is no sell signal, nothing. So we just keep it. For daily chart, that was our general picture. Downgoing tendency. After they break it, we put one more channel, and this is the technical support. So right now, there is no buy signal on daily chart. It's just an up correction on daily chart for 3 days. This is nothing. It doesn't allow us to buy American dollar index and to say that, oh yes, they go up now. No, it's not like that. They still may test lower support. They still may come back here for a 4-hour chart. Yes, right now you can see a rebound. And what we can do here, we can use the Fibonacci extension. 1, 2, 3, like this. And with Fibonacci extension, we can say that the maximum price where American dollar index may go is 103 area. So on 30-minute chart or on 1-hour chart, whatever you like to trade, it looks like above 102.40 they will go up to 103 area, but this is the maximum price, and still it doesn't give us an opportunity to buy and hold American dollar index. Nothing has changed critically. Okay, so this is just a correction, and maybe to the end of this week, maybe in the beginning of next week, they still may come back to 101.30 area. Now let's check euro dollar on weekly chart or even monthly chart. For monthly chart, level of resistance is 109.50, and on monthly chart, general tendency since 2008 that it's going down. And only last 4 months euro is strong because of weak American dollar. So only last 4 months, but tendency is showing us that they have an opportunity to fall down to 0.86. It's not a signal, it's just a tendency. On a weekly chart, we don't have any trading signal right now, and level of resistance is near 109.50. On daily chart, I told you that really important level of support is 107.30. If they didn't break 107.30, they still have an opportunity to climb up to 109.50, okay? And on daily chart, last 3 days were in one candle. So today may become a really strong white candle. You got to be aware of that. If price is under 107.30, we can talk to you about selling this instrument. But if 107.30 will stay as a support and they will not hit it, it means that they may give us a rebound over here and go up to 109.50. On 1 hour chart, this is the 200 moving average, which is a critical support for us. If they break it, yes, we can sell down to here, but we need to see that they break this area 107.30 and 200 moving average on 1 hour chart. Until they didn't do it, no, EUR is not going down. No. Only after they break 107.30 we can speak like, oh yes, okay, let's sell EUR. Right now, yes, I do have short positions, but it's not something that I planned as a general idea. It's just a short trading idea. So yes, I'm ready to close my short positions if they don't give me a break over here. So it means that they will go up to 109.50. You got to be ready for that as well. If you check 15-minute chart, yes, it looks like under 200 moving average we have to sell down to blah blah blah. Okay, but it's intraday situation. I'm talking to you about the general picture, which is more important. If you want to trade intraday, it is really important to know what's over here on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. You have to know the general tendency. And I'm telling you the general tendency that 107.30 is your support. And yes, you can try to sell even now, but support is over here. For Great Britain pound, I may disappoint you, but right now I don't trade it because, well, there are my colleagues who sell it and they keep saying that we should sell it, but technically I don't see a reason to sell Great Britain pound, and I'm talking to you about technical picture, not about the fundamental reason. I don't see technical reason to sell Great Britain pound, and I'm afraid that this may be like a mistake for me, because if they don't break 121 for so many days, it means that they may try to go higher, maybe 128. I can't tell you right now because, like, yeah, I can tell you levels. I can, like this. Above 124.30, next target is 127.40. After that, it's 129.30 and 132.50. So yes, there are a level of resistance that I can tell you about, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to trade it right now. So I'm not sure about the technical picture for Great Britain pound from the trading point of view. I can discuss technical levels, but I'm not ready to trade. That's what I'm trying to say. Even intraday, I don't like Great Britain pound so far. So I don't sell it, I don't buy it, I'm just watching it, and I'm waiting for a signal. There is no signal for me yet. For United States dollar with the Japanese yen, on monthly chart, there was a technical support, 127, 127. My technical level, which is important, was 126.60, and I was ready that price will hit 126.60. But on monthly chart, you can see that they hit this level of support directly, and they give us rebound. Okay. On weekly chart, there is no sign yet. Yes, they come to Ishimoku cloud, they give us rebound, but tendency isn't broken yet. So this is only rebound, but market is still ready to go lower until they break the tendency. I'm sorry, I'm sick. So on 4-hour chart today, due to the monetary policy decision of Japan, yes, they do hit this level of resistance, but it doesn't mean anything like, oh yes, it's important, and wait, like yes, they hit this resistance, and it doesn't mean that they're gonna go higher. Yes, above 131.17 they will hit 133, I mean 133. That was my technical target for today. That's it. And I was showing this technical picture for my other trading channel. So yeah, and technically above this level of resistance, they may hit 33, 133.50, 133.20, something like that. But right now you can't say that Japanese yen is getting really weak. It's just one day of price going up. And for 1 hour chart, you can see that it's only like a couple of hours price is going up. if you put Fibonacci extension 1, 2, 3, you can see that this is like the maximum target. And we really need them to break it and to hit bigger level and to break the tendency before we start to buy and hold. Okay, so right now it's not time to buy and hold, it's only time to buy from time to time because of intraday picture. Also about the Canadian dollar, I don't trade it right now, but I trade other currencies with the Canadian dollar. That's why I'm going to discuss it. For Canadian dollar, I want to remind my general picture, and generally above 135, after they show me shadows on the bottom side, I'm going to be ready to buy up to 146. Okay, above 135, I'm going to be ready to buy up to 146. But I need those shadows on the bottom side. And so far, there is nothing that is showing me, it's like, Masha, you have to buy. No, it's not like that yet. And I'm still waiting for a signal. But in the same time, I keep selling Euro Canadian dollar, not like all the time, but I'm searching for a moment to sell it because as far as I think, it's on a good level of resistance. And technically, I would like to get a sell signal here. It's not there yet. On weekly chart, they stopped near 145 for many weeks, like a month and a half. And I was expecting price to go down from 145. And like only now, yes, the second day they're trying to go lower. But it doesn't mean that they're going to be like really strong in selling Euro Canadian dollar. So far, yes, I'm trying to sell Euro Canadian, but this is not my general target, like keep selling it all the time. No, because it was a really strong upgoing tendency. And only if Euro is falling down and Canadian dollar is doing nothing, I'm going to keep selling Euro Canadian dollar. But I watch this instrument really strong, and they even didn't break the 200 moving average on 4-hour chart. It is important. Yes, they did break just like a couple of hours ago. They broke the 200 moving average on 1-hour chart, and wow, finally they did it. But next target is over here. It's 143. After they break 143, we can discuss further sell positions. For Great Britain pound and Canadian dollar, yes, this is important for me because I started to sell it, and I feel like I'm wrong actually, because I decided that this is a really good level of resistance, and it looks like a good level of resistance. You can say there was support since 2010, support since 2013, support, and now this is resistance. It's a good moment to sell, isn't it? We go in weekly chart, and yes, they show it as a good, really good sell signal from 200 moving average, perfect. But right now there are 2 weeks prices going up, and on daily chart it's kind of the same. They didn't break the 200 moving average, so I don't feel that I should keep the short positions, and I'm still thinking about that actually. Like if they try, yeah, let's keep this one and break this one. If they keep going higher, I shouldn't keep those short positions, but they're not showing me a new sell signal. What I'm going to do, I'm going to maybe put this tendency, and only if they try to hit 163.70, I'm going to try to sell, but I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure, because I don't see sell signal for Great Britain pound, I don't see good sell signal for Canadian dollar, and it doesn't look like a good idea to keep selling this currency pair. Okay, yeah, that's something that I should aware you also, because I decided to sell it from here and it looks beautiful, but I don't feel that it's a good position anymore. Also, Euro Great Britain pound, I told you on 4-hour chart that here is some good level of resistance, 0.88, 0.8860, and on daily chart it's kind of the same. It's a good level of resistance. Market is not breaking it, and this is only like yesterday they finally fall. If it's all good and this divergence works, look at this divergence, once, twice, yep, So yeah, if this divergence works, it means that they hit 0.87. After 0.87, my target is 0.85. So far, I keep my short positions for Euro Great Britain Pound. And if you want to know where to put stop loss, actually it's going to be really high, like 0.8830. It is really high. But so far, there is no reason to put a small stop loss. On 4-hour chart, they are hitting 200 moving average. And only if they break it, we may keep selling. Other way, it means that they will give us a rebound and one more hit up. So your current target goes to 0.8740, maybe 0.87. And only after they hit 0.87, we can talk about selling further and further, okay? I hope you like what I do for you, so please press thumbs up and watch my other videos. Bye, guys.